Guys, I'm so excited. Look what's finally here. My all-terrain wheels. It's time to finally open the box.
Don't mind our kitty cat.
Yeah, don't mind the cat.
He's just a little curious.
Oh my God, these wheels are huge. The size of my face. This is awesome. Got the axle with the brake. And we've got the other two wheels. Everything's here. We're at Palmyra Nature Cove today, guys, testing out our new all-terrain wheels. Hubby thinks it's a little easier.
We'll see once we get in the sand.
Some rough terrain back here.
How are you?
Hello.
Yeah, it's a boat. It has to be.
Yeah, guys, we can't figure out where the music's coming from. I don't know if you can hear the music. We're assuming it's a boat on the river. Oh, that's a huge spider.
Holy cow. So look at him from this side, he's got like red legs. He's brown, but he's got like red legs. Pretty thick.
Welcome to nature, guys.
And it's the same beat over and over again on a loop.
Yeah, it's just weird. Hi, buddy. You hanging out?
In your new and improved monster truck.
You like your monster truck wheels, buddy.
I would go off to the side, but there's where the spiders are. You don't want to get
The spider's going to get you.
It's like right here.
Well, we're not far from the beach exit.
Well, we're about to find out. About to go over and party with some people, buddy.
Yeah, I feel like we're now on a mission to go find this music.
We're going to go see if they have any.
I love these wheels. This makes this so much easier. Right, buddy? You like it? And these wheels are awesome. All-terrain wheels are definitely worth ordering.
I just hope I don't walk into a spider web.
Now the real test is on the beach. Oh, yeah? Oh, boy.
Oh, it is on the other side.
Is it?
Yeah.
So, guys, that music is actually from Philadelphia on the other side of the Delaware River.
Damn, we can't even go on the beach. You can say already, right here, there's no restriction at all.
Awesome.
Like, at all. Usually we'd be digging in right here.
So, guys, it's high tide. We can't really go out onto the beach like we wanted. But yeah, this is the Delaware River. Hey, Liam. Dance, buddy. Dance, dance, dance. You can see Philly in the background. I'll zoom in so you can see Philadelphia. Good, Liam.